Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my barber YouTube channel, Hefe Cuts. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook on the Hefe Cuts. You can even Google me; I will pop up on the Hefe Cuts. That's JEFECUTS. And so I did a big oops yesterday. I deleted my morning video clip of a day in the life as a barber. I deleted it by mistake and I forgot to back it up into the cloud. So that's why you might see me in different clothing now, and then the rest of the video I might have something else on because it was recorded yesterday. But yeah, man, let me get my day started. I'm gonna head to the barber shop. Yeah, so we just pulling up to the shop now. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I lock my truck. Get my morning started. Waiting on my first client to pull up. You know what I'm saying? But it's the whole setup going on right here.
What's up, my guy?
It's my boy Los right here.
You already know.
You know what I mean?
It's a good morning.
My guy that molded me into the barber I am today. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you already know. Pretty soon, gonna get the cutting.
Get to
Client
the money.
pulling up soon. Yeah. Let me show y'all a little bit right now, a little setup we got going on. Yeah. There's a little studio right here. We got a little studio vibe. Got P joint. Oh, got P.
Appointments only.
Nobody can just walk in just like that.
Nah.
You know what I'm saying? You know, we got the wash bowl station here. You know, the little TV back there. You know, right here. This is the heart of the studio back here. Let me turn this light on real quick. Boom. It's the hangout. We come sit back here, eat, chill, take a nap if we want to. Hey guys. Little humble setup. You know, my guy over there looking real icy. Looking icy Los. Let me show these barber money. Hold on. Look at that.
Couple
Oh, barber money. You know what I'm saying? Got the rollie.
couple little extras in my pocket. Little pinky ring.
Oh.
Yeah, gotta keep one of these. Man. Stay away from them. Stay away from them girls. They ain't taking you serious.
Keep the girls away, huh? They love them barbers.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
You see, that Lowe's chain right there. Ooh, look at that little barber. Look at the clipper chain. Man.
No,
I got again. It's that barber money, bro.
A little motivation for
that barber money. All right. People be underestimating that barber money. We out here living good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. But listen,
new drug dealers.
My first client coming soon. I'm gonna get with you guys in a second, and I'll let y'all see the vibe for the rest of the day. It's a Friday, so it's gonna be a little busy. I know my boy Los over there in the back. He stayed busy. He stayed busy over there all day long. I got a little slower pace. I need to catch up to him. See, I don't got a chain like that. I just got a regular Miami Cuban. That's it. With no pendants or nothing. Plain Jane. Well, you already know, guys. I'ma holler at y'all in a bit. What's up, bro? Yeah, you already know. August 2nd.
I look good today.
I'm gonna do a quick before and after on you, my guy. You, like you struggling out here. You're struggling. We over here popping right now. We popping right now. Hey, how do you feel, man? Talking to Mike, how do you feel right now after seeing yourself?
I feel good, man. I'm back, man.
Back
Like I never left, you know.
Like you never left.
Thanks to my boy Hef, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So what you gonna do when I'm with the PR, man? You gonna miss me?
I'm on my way, man. I'm moving too, man. It is what it is, man. I'm moving too. I see you next year.
Yeah, you know, might have to give my guy a hug before I leave to Puerto Rico. A fool, you know what I mean?
Get it while it's getting good. Get it while it's on.
Yeah, take advantage. Pop on the chair now before I bounce. DJ Strictly in the house. Barber Mach. My guy's he's a vampire. He only come out at night. You know what I'm saying? So you're like a pale white right there. Yeah, no sun. And get back to cutting, man. Haircut number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Haircut number 6. Let's get it. Hey, what's up, everybody? So finally got my day done today. It's Saturday, and I just realized something else. I'm messing up, man. I completely forgot to record yesterday's ending when I got out of the barbershop. I was so caught up in leaving and heading to my daughter's karate, that little karate event. So I kind of got caught up. But so, yeah, man. I know I said yesterday cut 6 haircut. I only put 2 up on the video just because if I would have put all 6 up, we would have had a whole hour-long movie, and that's something I'm trying to avoid. I try to keep my videos simple, short, and straight to the point when we do something over here, you know? I don't want to bore you guys with too much. But this is a day in the life of a barber, you know, all day long on our feet, cutting, good conversations, good talks, and good vibes, you know, and just putting smiles in people's faces, you know, putting the smiles in their faces, man, and seeing their reactions, man. To me, that's worth more than the money. Yeah, so everybody, man, I appreciate you guys for staying tuned in with me. You know, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos. I'm gonna holler at y'all. God bless.